everyone, welcome to our showroom. Today we'll take you on a quick tour of our star products, each designed to bring your visual ideas to life. Let's get started. We also have a full range of rental series products. Let's start with our MY series Outdoor P2.604 display. It comes in two cabinet sizes, 500 by 500 mm and 500 by 1000 mm. The modules feature a hard connection design and support both front and rear maintenance. The detachable power box on the back adds to the flexibility, and the system supports both right angle and curved installations. What's more, you can choose between SMD and COB module types. For outdoor screens, black LEDs are also available to deliver higher contrast radio. Next up is our MYS 500 flexible rental display with a 500 by 500 mm cabinet. You can see from the back that the modules are made up of these slim strips. Each cabinet can form a 45-degree arc, allowing you to easily create S-shape, U-shape, and other curved displays, both inward and outward. The minimum bending radius is just 0.64 meters, and only 8 cabinets are needed to form a full circle. It's also fully compatible with our standard MY500 cabinets, so you can mix flat and curved screens seamlessly. Ready for something next level? Meet our XR Stage Series, built especially for virtual production, film studios, and XR applications. XR LED displays are totally shaking up how films and shows are made. They're immersive, real-time, and becoming the top choice for next-gen studio environments. As the core of an XR stage, the LED wall must deliver sharp images, excellent grayscale performance, and precise brightness balance. Our XR series uses a 16-bit virtual production studio grid panel with a 7680 Hz refresh rate for flicker-free performance and an ultra-high 15,000 to 1 contrast radio. It also supports attractive shutter 3D technology. On the controller side, we use Novastar's XR solution designed specifically for camera shooting scenarios. It solved common issues like black field and skylines while boosting image quality. The whole system runs on Novastar's VMP control platform, so you get seamless control from design to monitoring. It's all about giving you a real-world shooting experience, only better. Ready to create something amazing together? Reach out to us for a custom quote or consultation. Find all the details and get in touch with us. Thanks for watching.